مرحبا بكم في شاطئ سيدي رحال. هذا فلوق بسيط ما عنده لا ساس ولا راس، اي حاجه عجبتني كنصورها وحبيت نشاركها معكم.
Mama promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of her. A brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat, and if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing and friends have lost their shirt. Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but I can't leave. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Are they home gone? Am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. This thing on, I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. Feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply.
الأشياء هي رسلة وحدة هذيك تكون عامرة عليها تكون عامرة هذه صافي معليش
كان يضربك قدام الستة.
عندك حق ما كانش كاين اللي يعرف هو واحد 5 سنين دابا باش تعرف هو ياك او
كان 50 عام.
And if it do any good, you know I'd do it again and again. You know these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind. She was just 17, I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out of my league, I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. You took me home, I had to meet your dad. And everybody thought he'd be mad, but he didn't care. As the years have gone by. Like the I think it's odd how we always wait another day. tell me why I think the kids walk away. Let's live on my water. What you gonna go home? I'll wait here till I say I just want a kid. Can't be here. I'll be okay, but you like a new friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call out the man. These are the memories of a certain place in time. Staring outside the window, watching life go